item 35. I appear for the state in this matter. We are praying for some time because the records have been misplaced somewhere, and we want to get the information from the police if they have a copy of the records. The records were misplaced in the High Court, Lordship, not elsewhere.
As I appear for the petition and this matter. For the
petitioner?
Yes, for the applicant, Milords. Milords, if they're looking for the records, Milords, sometime fixed date may be given, Milords, and
Yes,
sometime in the
Lordship.
next week, Milords. Because I filed this last week, Milords. It has been about 10-12 days since I filed it.
But Lordship, it came to our notice only when this matter was listed, Lordship.
Milords, I'd served the copy also. So, Milords, some fixed date next week, Milords, if possible.
19?
Yes, Lordship.
Milords, I also have a request, Milords. It may be reflected that the state has taken this time. Milords.
Yes,
Although I
Lordship.
consent to it, Milords, but
Lordship,
maybe
may-
reflect.
Understand. Don't worry. The prayer of MS government.
Okay.
Telling out the very important. Matter is zone fixed on 1912, to which council will. List. Okay. 19.
Lordship, I beg to Mr. Item 12, Lordship. I seek for an adjournment, Lordship. Item 12. 12.
Yes, next.
I beg to mention item number 37. We have filed an affidavit. Allow us to bring on record.
Mate, please. I beg to mention item number 27, my lord.
Hmm.
I taken up this matter after 1 week, my lord. 27 for admission.
2019 matter. Just wait for your turn.
Okay.
We'll see. Definitely will consider, but let
Yes.
the matter reach.
Yes, ma'am.
WPC number? What's the matter about?
One
Activate.
foreigners matter, Lordship. Jabida Khatun.
Last listed when?
No, my lord. Filing number is there, but nothing much. New matter.
It's a new matter.
Yes.
Let it come, it's accordingly. Whether she is in custody?
What?
Whether she is in custody, she has been
Actually,
detained.
I don't know this.
Let it come in its own course. There's no hurry.
No.
Yes.
Please, the Lordship. The impugn order is at page 45, Annex 9.
Heard Mr. A.K. Das, counsel for the Impugn opinion order at the 31/10/2018 for next terminal Boxer number application number 35 of the Boxer of Speaker. Voter to their reference and the over the map. Foreigner. Foreigner. Legally and security as for 35 by the secretary of the appear before the place voter Boxer number 2012 the record 8 weeks steps by tomorrow. Two, 4, 5. P. Sharma, 3. AIL equals 7. Tomorrow of the next step on the rest of the very important. The two subject to the condition. Yes. The proceedings shall appear before the Superintendent of Police Board, Paksa on or before 28th of December.
Hello, till then, I may be protected now.
You are protected
Interim
subject to your
delay
appearance
to-
before the
Okay.
Superintendent of Police
In
Board,
delay to,
Paksa.
appear going to this side.
Oblige.
Please, your lordship. It's impugn order at page number 58, lordship.
Hmm?
Impugn order at page number 58, lordship. Next, 13. It's a type copy is start from page number 49, lordship.
Notification होना है.
The father of the petitioner name is appeared in voter list of 1966, lordship.
Where is the link document?
Lordship, can you see, lordship, one school certificate is there, lordship, page number 46, lordship. Vernacular person is page number 46, lordship. Lordship, in the voter list of 1989, lordship, petitioner name has appeared, lordship. At page number 26, lordship. Along with the father of the petitioner, lordship.
Which page? Which page is the certificate?
Lordship, school certificate is so district Dhuburi, Numiapatti, Lordship, municipality area, Lordship. The school is Dhuburi Municipal High School, Lordship. Lordship, school certificate also countersigned by the inspector of school, Lordship.
Where is your written statement?
The written statement not in the position with us, Lordship. The brother of the petitioner is also appeared before the tribunal and deposed as DW2, Lordship.
Whether the document was proved, the school certificate was proved.
Not, Lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, even the voters list, the father's name may have three different names in all three different years, Lordship. 66 is Shambhu Ranjan Bhadra. Then Lordship will come, I'm relying on page 16, Lordship. Page 18, voters list of 70, here Shambhu Ranjan Bhadra. Like the names have been changed 3-4 times.
But father name is same and Lordship village is same, Lordship.
Lordship, since the WSN records are not yet at this stage, Lordship would like to issue notice in this matter and call for the records. Examine the records here. Lordship.
Will you kindly see page number 40B, Lordship. Vernacular Lordship, 40B, Lordship. Land document, Lordship.
That's what we're looking for.
Lordship.
Land document, page 35. What is the name?
Page 35. Lordship. 35, Lordship, the land was purchased with father of the petitioner, Lordship.
Hmm?
Father of the petitioner is purchased the land.
Father of the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
Who is the father of the petitioner?
It is. So, it's in here, it was reflected as Shambhunath Bhadra, Lordship.
Hmm?
Page number 33, Lordship.
What is that page number 35?
That will just sell it to see, type copy is start from 33, Lordship.
We have seen that.
Yes,
What is
Lordship.
that page 35? That is a photocopy of the certified copy, right?
Lordship.
So what is the name therein?
Shambhunath Bhadra, Lordship.
Shambhunath Bhadra. Father,
Girindo Chandra Bhadra.
it is Girindra or it is Kalipyoho?
Lordship is Go. Girindo, Lordship.
Now,
It's
please
written
come
in
to,
Bengali, Lordship.
please come to the voter list of 1966.
Lordship.
Who is he?
It's 16, Shambhu Ranjo Bhadra, Lordship.
It is Shambhu Ranjan Bhadra, Lordship.
Now, voter list of 1970, page 19. Who is he?
1970 is Shambhu Ranjan Bhadra.
Registered after 71, so we are not. So if it is Shambhundra, that's the land document shows somebody else, Shambhunath,
Shambhunath, Lordship.
Shambhu Ranjan. Who are they? Who are they?
It's same person, Lordship.
How do you know that? How do you know that? The same person.
Lordship. Page number 40B, Lordship. Land certificate issued by the circle officer, Lordship.
Please come to page number 40B.
Lordship,
How it is related to the cell deed of your
Lordship,
father?
How is it related to the marriage? এরও কার নাম আছে? এই তো এই ট্রান্সলেটেড কপি দিছে। এই এটা ট্রান্সলেটেড কপি দিছে।
How it is related?
শম্ভু রঞ্জন ভট্ট।
Lordship,
গার্জেন দিছে।
Will you able to explain?
ডক্টর অফ জ্ঞান।
Lordship,
গার্জেনে থাকে। তাই ডেটা করে নাম তো
Heard Mr. P. Borgohain, counsel appearing for the petition. No, within one. You were much. And seven. Whatever. Okay.
This type of law.
This application has been filed on 21/05/2019 by the petitioner, challenging the final order of the opinion dated 27/11/2018 passed by learned member of Fairness Tribunal number 123 in application number 1382/D/2010 within bracket reference case number R/IMDT/1560/98, whereby she was declared as a foreigner, illegal migrant under the Foreigners Act 1946, who had illegally entered into the territory of India in Wicket Assam on or after 25 July 1970. Issue notice returnable by it. We are of the opinion that we are of the view that the response number 3 above Fairness Tribunal 1 to Kriku path the orders of the opinion not a necessary party for the education of this and as such the name of the said respondent is struck off from the consent. The registry shall accordingly renumber the respondent numbers 4, 5, 6, and 7 as respondent numbers 3, 4, 5, 6 respectively. Art. No representation here. Also heard MS L. Verma standing in support of Party Assam for the rest of one. Sorry, rest of number 2. And rest of number 6. AI Ali for 3. And Nishan for 5. Simon. All for the record. Leave this matter for admission to the returns. Records. Yes, appear before the Superintendent of Police Board
Yes, sir.
on or before 28th of December.
Much obliged, Lordship. Much obliged.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship. My lord, in this case, the petitioner challenged the ex parte order passed against his father, my lord. My lord, while the proceeding was started, my lord, the petitioner's father did not receive any notice, my lord, and the proceeding was passed ex parte, my lord. Subsequently, when his father came to know about this reference case, FT case, my lord, he appeared and subsequently fallen sick and could not appear, my lord. And thereafter, the ex parte order passed earlier was kept upheld, my lord. And now, by virtue of this petition, the petitioner has challenged this ex parte order, my lord. Lordship will find the ex parte order at page 10. Otherwise, my lord, the petitioner said sufficient document to prove his citizenship, my lord. I have annexed all those documents, my lord.
Yes, Madam Verma, please come to page 30.
Yes, subsequent order. Yes, father.
Petitioner's father, he received the notice, but he never appeared and filed his
He did
WS.
not receive. His brother,
Lordship.
whether it will amount to the service of notice as per 64, just see.
The notice was served on his younger brother.
So whether it will be,
Lordship,
Service of
maybe they
notice.
reside together.
there
The
is no mention.
no mention, Lordship. Lordship may call for the records. We can
No, it's
examine.
already written in that order. That is the reason we are asking you. Whether
In the absence of records, Lordship, we may not know whether the brothers stay together. It's not stated also in the petition whether they have been staying together. But notice was received by someone in the family and duly served, Lordship. And since it's an order of 2016, Lordship,
Yes, yes. And my father died.
no, that I've seen it. Lordship, even the tribunal has taken note. I therefore consider that the notice was properly served on the OP and intentionally avoided to appear before this tribunal. I do not find any material to vacate the ex parte order. Order is of 2008. And if Lordship will look, the proceeding is of 2006. So he was very much aware of the proceedings. Because the inquiry must have been done. That is why it was referred to the tribunal. Without an inquiry, the case will not go to the tribunal. Today, taking a plea that it was not served and he did not appear, Lordship, only the records can reveal where we'll find the inquiry report as well as the statement his father had made at that point of time.
My humble submission is that, my lord. The
Police
proceeding
inquiry
was
of
against my
2002.
father, my lord. And there is no reference against me, my lord. So I have sufficient documents. I have annexed the final Khitan of 1964, then Bhutta list of 1966, Bhutta list of 1970, and all the subsequent Bhutta lists and all this, my lord. So these, my lord, this honorable court may refer the matter to the tribunal back and to for a fresh trial, my lord. And the proceeding was also ex parte order.
But the police
Against the-
inquiry is of 2002. It's reflected in your opinion. Not that I do that, right?
By an expertise of dated 25/04/2008. Member of Fairness Tribunal 1 Karimabad. In FT case number 21606. Within bracket policy query number 654 of 02. Of SP Border Karimabad. Father of the petitioner, Joy Gopal Das, was declared to be foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946 / illegal migrant who were entered into India illegal. During his lifetime, father of the petitioner filed petitioner number 56, being Miskis being FT Misk number 02/09 under Order 9 Rule 30 CPC. File application during lifetime on 18/04/2009. Sorry, 080/2009. 08. File Miskis number 30. Under Order 9. उससे पता है कि 28 25/04 was rejected by the state tribe on 19. Hence, is taken by petition son of the Joy Gopal Das, who in the meanwhile expired on 07/12 of before it was before proceeding, but we desire to peruse the relevant record of the clarity above, but describe the more along with the record. Let the records,
Lordship,
let the records come with you.
Lordship has issued notice.
Not-
Only records.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, the impugn order is in page number 40, Annexer I.
Please take your seat. Yes, please, ma'am.
Lordship, my father's name is recorded in the voter list of 1966 and 1970 as Rajab Ali.
Where are those voter lists?
In page number 15, Annexer C is the 1966
number-
voter list,
Page number 15,
Annexer C.
next RC. Okay. What is the name of the village?
Jur Simolo Gospita.
George, who is your father here?
Here, Lordship Rajab Ali.
Raza Wali.
Rajab Ali.
And that village
There-
is Zorsimulu, Hospital.
Hospital.
And Moja is Pub Samoria,
Good Somalia.
block number is 54.
Yes, Lordship.
Police station, sorry, no.
Next is Annexer D, page number 17.
So Rotabali is your father.
Yes, Lord.
Again, village.
Village Jur Simolo
Hospital, right?
Hospital.
Moja is East Samoria. Have you been to Samoria? Do you know where is it?
No, Lordship.
Do you
But-
know what it is there? Why Samoria is famous for?
No, Lord.
There is a big Patra established by Guru Madhav Dev.
Okay.
Now please come to page number 20, your written statement.
Yes, Lord.
Read para 4.
That the opposite party is permanently residing at village Sampapura Gaon, post office Sampapura,
No, please read para 3.
Para 3. That the opposite party is a permanent resident of village Sampapura Gaon, PO Sampapura Bazar, PS Soigaon in the district of Kamrup, Assam.
Then next 4.
That the opposite party is permanently residing at village Sampapura Gaon, PO Sampapura Bazar, PS Soigaon, Goroimari Revenue Circle, Moja Goroimari in the district of Kamrup, Assam.
Read para 5.
That the opposite party was born in her parental village, Notun Deosor,
Parental paternal.
paternal village, Notun Deosor, PO Paneri, PS Boko, Moja Bongao, Kamrup. And her
6.
father was late Rajab Ali.
6.
That the name of the opposite party father, namely late Rajab Ali, grandfather late Ronju Sheikh, and grandmother late Myron Nasha, name have been appeared in the voter list of 1966 at village Jorsimolu Gosputa, block 54, Moja Pup Somoria, under 56 number Soigaon LSC in the district of Kamrup.
Then 7 and 8 kindly read them.
That the name of the grandfather late Ronju Sheikh, grandmother late Myron Nasha, father late Rajiv Ali at the opposite party. At the opposite party appears in the voter list in the year 1970 constituency of village Jorsimolu Gospata, LSC 56 number Soigaon, Moja 56 number Soigaon, Moja Pup Somoria.
8.
That the name of the opposite party also appear in the voter list of 1993 along with her father, mother and 2 brothers, where the father's name of the opposite party appears as Rajab Ali, where the mother name of Sarbun Nesha, where the 3 their brothers are Jinnat Ali and Sorko Ali.
10.
That as the party is born and brought up in Assam and as he is liable to produce the above voter list for the year 1966, 1970, 1993, and the certificate issued by the government of Gaonbura in her identification, hence she is not foreigners and she never entered into Assam after 25/3/1971 as alleged by the Foreigner Tribunal and the Foreigners Act 1946.
Then 11.
That if the Honorable Foreigners Tribunal will not admit the above documents and certificates submitted by the opposite party in her written statement annexures, then the entire written statement submitted by the opposite party before the Honorable Foreigners Tribunal will be informations, and the opposite party will suffer irreparable loss, mental agony, harass, and with her family members in those of days of hardship.
Now, please come to your cross-examination. Page 37. You can read vernacular, right? Kindly read.
মই যি কম সঁচা কম,
No, to come from the paragraph. More Janmo.
মোৰ জন্ম নতুন দেওচৰ গাঁৱত হৈছিল।
Janmor son to
জন্মৰ মুজন
son to year.
মই নাজানো। মোৰ ককা দেউতাৰ নাম ৰংগো শেখ আৰু আইতাৰ নাম মেহৰুন নছা। মোৰ বয়স 10-12 বছৰ
Yes.
থাকোঁতে মোৰ ককা দেউতা আৰু আইতাৰ মৃত্যু হৈছিল। মোৰ মাৰ নাম সৰবানু নেছা, মা
Yes.
জীয়াই আছে। প্ৰায় 35 বছৰ আগত মোৰ দেউতাৰ মৃত্যু হৈছিল। 1961 চন 1966 চনত দেউতাৰ নাম প্ৰথমে নতুন দেওচৰ গাঁৱত ভোটৰ তালিকাত উঠিছিল। 1966 চনত ভোটৰ তালিকাত দেউতাৰ নাম চনত মোৰ মা মোৰ নিজৰ নাম আৰু দুজন ভাইৰ নাম উল্লেখ আছে। 1993 চনত নতুন দেওচৰ গাঁৱত ভোটৰ তালিকাত মোৰ প্ৰথমবাৰৰ বাবে উক্ত ভোটৰ তালিকাত মোৰ নামো উল্লেখ আছে। মোৰ দেউতাৰ জন্ম তেওঁৰ গাঁৱতে হৈছিল। তেওঁৰ গাঁৱৰ বাহিৰে দেওচৰ গাঁৱৰ বাহিৰে থানা অন্য কোনো গাঁৱতে দেউতাৰ বসবাস কৰা নাছিল। মোৰ বয়স বিয়া হৈছিল মই নাজানো। বিয়াৰ সময়ত মোৰ 18 বছৰ আছিল। স্বামীৰ নাম উমৰ আলী। স্বামীৰ লগত চম্পপুৰা গাঁৱৰ ভোটৰ তালিকাত মোৰ নাম আছে। কোন চনত আছে মই নাজানো। 1966 আৰু 1970 চনৰ ভোটৰ তালিকাত মোৰ দেউতাৰ লগত মোৰ নামো মাৰ নামো দেউতাৰ লগত উল্লেখ আছে।
দেওচৰ
গাঁৱত উল্লেখ আছে।
Next, page 39.
মই দেওচৰে আৰু চম্পপুৰা গাঁৱৰ গাঁওবুঢ়াৰ প্ৰমাণ পত্ৰ দাখিল দিছো। চম্পপুৰা গাঁৱৰ গাঁওবুঢ়াৰ নাম জংছেৰ আৰু দেওচৰ গাঁৱৰ গাঁওবুঢ়াৰ নাম নাজানো। গাঁওবুঢ়াৰ প্ৰমাণ পত্ৰ মই নিজে আনা নাই। মোৰ ভাই সৰ্বেশ আলীয়ে আনিছে। উক্ত প্ৰমাণ পত্ৰ দুখন কেতিয়া আনিছে মই নাজানো।
Now, in one side you have said that the name of your projected father Rajab Ali figured in the voter list of 1966 and 1970 with your grandfather and grandmother from village Dursimalu Hospital under Pub Samoria, block number 54. But you have said that in 1966 voter list, 1966 and 1970 voter list, name of your mother also figured along with your father. Now, you have said your mother's name is Sorbhanu Nessa. Then please come to the voter list of 1966 at page 15.
Yes, Lordship.
Who is that Moiron Nessa?
Moiron Nessa is her grandmother.
So in the voter list of 1966, your name of your mother was not there.
No.
Then please come to page number 17.
Yes, Lord.
Here also name of your mother is not.
Not.
This two voter list of 1966 and 70 is from the village Jorsimulu
Jorsimulu.
Basputa. You have already read.
Yes.
But in your evidence, you have stated that accepting the village Deusor, name of your father did not figure in any other and also did not reside in any other place except in Deusor village. Then who is this Raja Bali in the voter list of 1966 and 1970? Because these knowledge only belongs to Prosody. Nobody else is aware of this. Prosody only will have this knowledge. So, kindly tell us. So tell us where is the illegality in this order passed by the tribunal? You're relying on these documents.
Yes.
Tell us. Whatever you say, we will believe, but we will decide in accordance with law, right?
Not you are right, as she has.
So that's her personal knowledge from which she has submitted, and as you know what to do.
Lordship may call for the record.
What will happen? This is the certified copies you have any.
Yeah.
Even if you call for the record, what will happen? These are the documents you have any, an evidence. These are your evidence. You have. Tell us. Now, if you call for the record, anything new, nothing, there will be something extra in that record. Something extra to help you. I visited Sombodia several years back while I was in school, in high school. It's a lovely place, beautiful place. You have to go to that particular satra by crossing a river. And there is a small rivulet, the river of Brahmaputra passes that. Small river rivulet of Brahmaputra. Have you heard a word called Marna? Do you know what is Marna? It's a big boat, boat where it carries the cars. Of course, unfortunately, there's no truck. You can carry the vehicle. You have to cross by that Marna. Yes, Mr. Pang, do you need the record?
Well, in fact, it's not necessary because in WS, what he has stated, it is
So,
contradictory.
first of all, what we have seen that there is no such statement in the written statement regarding the shifting of
Yes.
passport. So initially maybe there and then later on it came. Secondly, the proceeding says that the name of her mother figured in the voter list of 1956 and 70, along with her father. And about that, the procedure also stated that her name figured in the voter list of 1966. along with her father. Anyway, that may be some mistake.
Some mistake.
The thing is this,
Categorically, my lord, the evidence, the voter list are of, my lord, notun of different lists. The voter list of 1966 and 70 are of that notun, my lord,
George Simulu was.
Jur Simolu not.
was-
And if that is the same, my lord, what she has studied in her cross examination, she has said, my lord, মোৰ দেউতাৰ জন্ম দেউচৰ গাঁৱতেই হৈছিল। If her father was born in Deusar Gaon, it cannot be, my lord.
Not only that,
And মোৰ দেউতাৰ
next is Deusor
और
গাঁৱৰ
বাহিৰে
বাহিৰে
কোনো
অন্য কোনো
গাঁৱতেই দেউতাৰ
বসবাস
বসবাস কৰা নাছিল।
It's a knowledge.
So it cannot be of that person, his father.
Anything else you want to submit?
My lord.
What to do?
It's up to the court, lordship.
You are Miss Sakia, right?
Yes, lordship. R.R. Sek.
Rekharani Sakia.
Rekharani Sek.
MS RR Sakia. Land Council appearing for the land council on behalf of the I Rafiq Land Council for the petition. No representation on behalf of the respondent in Union of India. Respondent number 1 in Union of India. Also heard Mr. A.I. Ali, Standing Council, Election Commission of India for the respondent number 2. Mr. J. Pang, Standing Council from Department of Assam for the respondent number 3, 6. As well as Mr. P. Sharma, Secretary, London Additional Senior Government of Assam for the respondent. Here is the documents annexed to this petition, as well as the right. Here is the documents annexed to the petition, which according to her were the part of the records of the FT case number, GFT case number, GFT within bracket R, case number 1773 of 2017. That were filed by R. That's it. Ernest Berman. Petitioner has filed this writ petition on 04/10/2019, challenging the opinion dated 24/04/2019, passed by learned member Foreigners Tribunal, Kamrup within bracket Rail number 1. in said GFT within bracket R case number 1773 of 2017 within bracket reference and DT case number 760 of 1988. Wherever the said tribunal, after hearing her and considering the relevant evidence that were adduced by her and her brother, declared her to be a foreigner of illegal migrant under the Foreigners Act 1946, entered into the territory of India in some honor of the 25 kilometers 1970. Now you will write the further list on 2012-2023 for the necessary one.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes, madam.
My lord, she was taken and thereafter she was being released by this honorable
The
court.
records before us, so please start with. Or you can do anything, we'll finish the other motions, you can take up your.
Yes, lordship.
Okay. Before starting of the admission, we'll take up your man. We'll finish the other motions.
Yes, lordship.
I know it is against the environmental crime and then my prisoner's right, like I was been arrested. And then I was photographed and those videos was published in the social media. So that is why I have filed this. And then my already filed affidavit in opposition and I have filed a reply to it.
We have filed affidavit on behalf of SP, Superintendent Police, Gwalpara, my lord. See, there are three, annexer one, my lord. There is a three, my lord, case 23, yes, my affidavit.
Why you have filed this petition?
My lord, actually, because like while we made a public actual statement because I have a BDP and then I was working under deputy commissioner. My lord, several times we have informed about the illegalities going on. Me and many others in these villages actually. There are environmental, there are a lot of wood cutting and everything was going on in that area. So we have repeatedly informing and then finally, when the newspaper channels came, then we informed them that this is happening there. And then on that, actually, then we mentioned about Aswana number 6. He was a Dhruvo doctor. He was the, forest officer there. And then we shouted against him also. So for that, that is maybe the allegation because we have, but then I was arrested on 3rd, not for that. But for some other allegation, they said I have done extortion of money and all this, and they arrested me. So while in the jail, my lord, they called Dhruvo Datta also, and then they made a photography of my being arrested, and then
Could have approached the police accountability.
yes, we did, ma'am.
What happened?
So after that, nothing happened.
There has to be, it has to be, the final order has to be passed.
Yeah, but then we did that. That was submitted
You
in the.
mentioned in your repetition that you have.
Yes, my lord. Yes, we did, my lord.
You have to wait till the final disposition.
Yes,
Because your grievances are here against that concerned police officer,
Yes.
right?
we did that.
So-
But nothing, no action wasn't taken, and then in fact, he was been promoted this, we have the information, he was been promoted in fact.
Yeah, your entire grievances is that because that particular police officer called you to the police station, harassed you. Because
Yes.
we have raised your voice against some illegality done in particular forest. That's your.
Yes, around in the area, and then now my lord, this in the affidavit opposition, they have also given. In that affidavit opposition also, it has been like allegation was like he was been engaged in many of the all illegalities, every illegal matter of the
Now,
Dumai
Mr.
Kajpur
Sharma,
area.
can you tell us something? What is the outcome of those investigations?
My lord,
Charge sheet filed?
yeah. Service already filed. Annexure 1, my lord, page 25.
Hmm.
You lordship see that to the superintendent of police, may I read lordship?
What happened with that particular investigation? We have to know.
First information know. An instruction, maybe I will take some instruction, whether that
Physically
classes of
involved?
file or
So,
not.
Sharma, you cannot have this thing that way every time you will appear and say some instruction.
My lord,
When you have filed this affidavit, you should have the full instruction.
my lord, that
Then this affidavit is not at all complete. We cannot consider this affidavit.
affidavit filed by the SP, my lord, and
There, whether it is SP, DSP, we do not want. We want. what
your lordship
which
page,
was proceeding.
page 23, lordship.
Ah.
The deponent begs to state that as per the report dated 8/8/23, received from Inspector Lakshmipur Police Station, Gwalbar, Assam, it is found that the allegation raised by the writ petitioner in his complaint against the sub-inspector of Dhumergarh outpost of Mr. Nilumani Chaudhary, Nipumani Chaudhary, Gwalpara, to the effect that the said person had threatened him
These are not
that
the
would
words.
send to writ petitioner to jail
Okay.
if he did not appear before the Dhumergarh outpost. Is a frivolous charges made against the sub-inspector. This said report, the inspector has further stated that he had physically inquired upon the entire matter and it was found that the writ petitioner is a broker who is involved with illegal activities and found around Dhumergarh outpost, and the complaint was filed by the writ petitioner with an intent to harm.
So if he is doing some illegal activities, any police case registered against him,
Yes, yes, my lord.
which is that police case?
Hello, in writ petition, my lord, page 7, para 8, my lord, the case. The PRC case number 579/2023 before CGM Gwalpara. That the petitioner, however, got bail from the court of CGM Gwalpara in bail application number 20 about 20
What is
days.
the status of the said case?
That means it is still pending before CGM. My lord. The case is still pending, PRC number before CGM Gwalpara. He's often got bail.
Madam, on last occasion, we are also asked you same thing. If there is something, some complaints to be made, where you will lodge your complaint? Before police or in social media?
No, because before the superintendent of, and I am giving you.
You could have informed the concerned officer in charge of the.
Yes, I
police
did.
station.
Yes, we
Could
did.
have informed the concerned SP.
Yes, this is exactly what we did, my
Then
lord.
why you have made it in the social? media?
DGP. DGP police we applied.
Instead of doing all that, what made you to place it before the social media?
Well, the social media we have approached only because like it was not me, madam. It was everyone else. Anybody would have done. This was just the news channel. They have asked me
Kindly
what is
read
going
this
on
for
there.
me. Kindly read, is not it your application?
Yes, madam. Page number
Yes, 14, next number. Repetition.
14 years.
माननीय आरक्षी प्राधिकरण पढ़ लो
It's a complaint. It's a complaint that we made before the.
So you have admitted that you have done it.
What?
The
ma'am?
social, you have uploaded in the social media.
When they asked me, I answered. That is what it is. I said. Sambandhik madhyam মই জনাম. When
Where
I
is your
asked
complaint
someone,
before the police
taken in
accountability committee?
pardon me,
Where is your application before the police accountability?
no,
Where you have
not
stated
there,
your
not there.
application?
Again,
Your para 12,
practitioner is become and humiliated publicity.
Yes, my lord.
Even before his bill is broke. He was exposed.
My lord, I have all the video recording of that. It was actually news. They have published it in the news. DYSNL and everywhere. Prague News everywhere. They have given this media publication. The police. I just published and when I was asked, I just gave a social media interview.
Why
My
this petition?
pardon me.
Why this petition?
Well, because like my prison was right, my lord. While I was there, I was defamed and I was being arrested. Is fine. I have to be proved that there is a. If my allegation is that has to be proved. That's
File a
why
necessary complaint before the appropriate forum.
we did it, my lord. We did it in
Now,
the.
after
We
filing this affidavit,
yes.
particularly page 25. They have raised disputes which you cannot entertain in a recent. At best, you can file the appropriate complaint before the consequence.
My lord, since this
Your
case,
prayer here
yes, ma'am.
at this stage cannot be considered because they have raised in dispute.
My lord, but then-
Forum, see, basically, for that purpose, we could have considered you. But now, they have filed an affidavit.
They have filed an affidavit, but this affidavit doesn't say anything about what happened in that particular day or in the particular incident. Nothing they have said, nothing. My lord, they said I am again in this case, in this affidavit also said I am a dalal and all this. They have put a lot of allegation against me.
Which you have admitted.
My lord, I mean, it's a general statement they have given. This illegal matter was involved in every illegal matter, my lord. That is the word
Understand,
sentence.
that's why you have, that is the reason the magistrate has, if the cases are not registered, then you have to suspend the police. So, procedures are there, they are with you. If nothing happens, then also the magistrate has the power, need to file a complaint. Magistrate has the power to supervise at least what steps the police have taken to investigate the matter.
Yeah, my lord, that is so far as the case is concerned, my lord. But this is a case, but the allegation against the prisoner, my lord, the petitioner. But what is happened on the petitioner is a different issue.
Yes,
He was being humiliated publicly before his allegations were proved. That is a different issue.
look at your prayer. You are humiliated, you are something. Yeah, the appropriate court. Not here. You are defamed. Humiliation will come under defamation.
Yes.
The defamation, humiliation, apart, my lord. But this is my prisoner's right, my.
You are no longer a prisoner, you are already released on bail.
We already.
Yeah, I
Very
already-
question of prisoner.
But then during that period, it was committed upon me, and that the repercussion is going on still now.
Hmm.
That is the reason. That is the reason. Yes. Mr. Sharma, we'll take it up on Friday. Let us know what is the regarding this PRC case number. Let us up to date status.
Up to date, data of PRC.
PRC 579 to identity 3.
Yes, sir.
We need it on Friday. Up to date status. Getting from the Superintendent of Police, Walpara. List on. H. Enabling the Superintendent of Police, Walpara. We apprised the court about the updated status regarding the PRC's case number 579 of 2023. As well as Lokipur Superintendent of Police, Walpara, as well as Lokipur Police Station case number 92 of 2023. All the names.
May I please, your lordship? This is the second writ petition, my lord. Earlier order, your lordship will find at page 66, my lord.
Please take your seat. Mr. Pai, tomorrow in the full court matter, that matter is coming up. Whether this matter should be taken up after the full court matter or
Yes, this is not a different proceeding. Different court. So let it come after that decision of that full bench.
We'll have it on Friday.
Friday. May I pray for interim, my lord? Police is after me, my lord.
We'll have it on Friday.
My lord. Oblige, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Nam.
No, my lord. This is a contested matter, my lord. You will find order at page 36. Here in this case, my lord, the petitioner produced her birth certificate and exhibited school certificate and voter list of her mother, but no document could be produced of her father, my lord. And on this ground,
You have filed an additional affidavit.
Additional affidavit, my lord, I applied. Death certificate of our father, that is also not,
That's not signed by any authority. There is no signature. There is no seal. Page number 48.
yes, my signature is there, my lord. Issuing authority signature is there, seal is not there, my lord. But
So,
my
signature
lord,
has to be there.
it's the original, my lord, I am having. Maybe in Xerox, that is not clear.
Same as this. There has to be seal signature, everyone.
But my lord, here it is illegible, my lord. Seal is,
Show it to Mr. Pine.
this is the same, my lord, but. Like it's seen. The round seal is there in the upper part.
It's Xerox from the Xerox copy, my lord. That's
Xerox, yes, that's why.
No, just read. Just read.
This is the one number. Original, I have to call my lord.
Just read. The death certificate.
origin, origin.
Origin to produce.
Now please see. Down below, place of date. Kharat. Mr. Nath got it?
Yes, yes, Lord.
Good. Now please come to the written statement. Paragraph 8. Page number 23.
After the opposite party's birth, her father was missing since 1989.
Read that paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. Page 8. The opposite party begs to state that her father was mentally ill person and remained insane mentally. And very unfortunately, after the opposite party's birth, her father was missing since 1989. Thereafter, the father of opposite party remained untraceable for a long period. And ultimately, he had been found that her father expired. The opposite party was brought up by her mother.
So he was missing and he died at home. What is this? Then also just see one thing. Read para 2 of the written statement at page 21.
Now, we took birth at village Namatiko, Kaliabari
Namatiko.
Road, Namatiko.
Then
Kalibari Road, Co Block, Post Office NPS Majbat, the district of Udalguri, BTC, Assam in the year 1981. Her date of birth is 1/6/1981. The Department of Health Services, Udalguri District has issued a birth certificate dated 14/8/2015. Registration number so by certifying the place of birth and date of birth of the OP. OP has one brother, namely C. Pradeep Adhikari, aged about 34 years.
Now, if you compare paragraph 2 and paragraph 8 of the written statement of the proceeding, and father was not there since 1989. Now, please come to paragraph 7, page number 34. Projected mother's affidavit and evidence, right?
Yes.
Read para 7.
That I took birth at Harmati at Lower Bipuria under Narayanpur Moja in the district of Lakhimpur in the year of 1963. And I brought up in the said locality and got married with Manoranjan Adhikari, son of late Thakurdas Adhikari of village Namati Ko, post office and PS Medbat in the district of Udalguri, BTR, Assam in the year 1980, who shifted to the above named address from village Harmati, North Lakhimpur district, Assam for each for search of work and better livelihood in the year 1981.
So, in the year, in livelihood, shifted to
1981.
81. He was originally from Namati Khaw and who shifted to above the address from village Harmati, North Lakhimpur to Masbat in the year 1981, right? Please come to page number 22. Written statement of the proceeding, paragraph 2, the second part. The fifth line.
Last.
The father of the OP.
Father of the OP has not migrated from Bangladesh at any point of time. The father of the OP took birth at village Harmati under the North Lakhimpur subdivision in the district of Lakhimpur, Assam. The maternal grandfather of the OP was the permanent resident of Harmati under the North Lakhimpur district, Assam. The mother of OP, Srimati Rita Adhikari, took birth at Harmati at Lower Bipuria under Narayanpur Moja in the district of Lakhimpur in the year 1963.
Then para 3.
The OP begs to state that her father had shifted to village Majbhat, post office and PS Majbhat under Udalguri district in the year 1970 from village. So there is a difference. Here it is said, mother said 781, she said 70 from village Harmati, North Lakhimpur district, Lakhimpur from work, better livelihood, and thereafter she decided at Majbhat permanently. The OPS studied at Majbhat HE school in the year 1990.
No, those are different.
That is different.
Right? That will be another issue.
That is not telling well. 81, she is saying.
Mother said shifted to 81, only in the year 81. Now your annexer in your additional affidavit, page 46. What the Gamura has said.
Page 46.
Page 46.
উপরোক্ত ব্যক্তিগৰাকী স্বামী মনোৰঞ্জন অধিকাৰী আৰু তেখেতৰ পৰিয়াল 1970 চনৰ পৰাই মাজবেটত এইটো ইয়াত এইটো 70
So which one is correct?
বসবাস কৰি থকা সত্ত্বেও ইয়াৰ দ্বাৰা প্ৰমাণ কৰা হল
Everything,
Is difference, my lord. That is,
Mr. Pai, like a related records we call for and we finish that motion. Heard Mr. Asna hearing for the petition. Okay, like it. And Mr. They buying standing council in Department Assam for the rest of number two. Mr. P. Sharma. So Assam for the rest number four. It's standing council. Election for the rest. No representation on behalf of the Union of India. Before proceeding further, which that is before proceeding further, we propose to refer the relevant records of the case number FD second case number 441 of 2012. Wicket reference section 174 of it. Wherein the Learned Temple Fairness Tribunal first Mudalati, but the impugn opinion, judgment in order slash opinion, dated 19/09/2022, declared the petitioner to be a foreigner of post 25/02. Foreigner of illegal right. Call for the records. The district shall lay this matter for immediate immediately on the statement clear. Subject to the appearance of the petitioner before the Supreme Court Police Court. Dalguri. On or before 20. Shall not take report of the very pursuant to the impugn judgment in order slash opinion 15/09 passed by Learned Temple Fairness Tribunal first 3 seconds for once.
plus,
Yes.
I may appeal.
Mr.
Also.
Ahmed.
An impugn order is page 58, my lord. 58 to
What is the link document?
link documents, my lord, two documents, my lord.
Hmm.
Gaugura certificate and Gaugura also examined, my lord. And her elder brother examined, whose name appear along with the parents, my lord. I have filed one additional affidavit as per court direction. And one land documents, my lord, is land holding documents, my lord, is $33. Issued by circular.
Please take your seat. Yes, Mr. Pai. Let the record be called for at this stage. That will be better. Because what we found the village headman statement as well as the statement of the DW1
DW3
as well as because the petitioner in her written statement totally silent regarding her existence of any brother, sister, whatever. You have seen a written statement annexed to this petition. She is absolutely silent.
She herself contradicted with regard to the one policeman.
No, that is the Tatazar, Takhalizar, that is the difference.
Part Mr. A. Mahmoud, Council for Village. No representation of behalf of the respondent number one in Union. But Mr. Depai, the legal department of some Mr. P. Sharma, the official general Assam Forest number 3, and Mr. A. I. Ali, standing for election certified. On being referred by the Superintendent of Police Order for better. The learned member of Fairness Tribunal 6 for better. By his opinion dated 12/8/2022. After hearing the petitioner. Hearing the petitioner as well as recording the evidence. By the in opinion dated 12/8/2022 declared her to be a foreigner or illegal migrant under the Foreigners Act 1946, but illegally entered in territory of India within the Assam honor after 25/03/1960. Issue notice of motion returnable by Apex. Call for the records of the office of the Foreigners Tribunal for Meta 6. Order. Registry shall list this matter for admission immediately on receipt of records of say application number 144/2016. Subject to the conviction, petitioner's appearance before the Superintendent of Police order. Baksa. This will be Borpeta or Baksa. There is page 36, there are last four lines. Mr. Paying, it will go to Borpeta or it will go to Baksa. Where it will go, Borpeta or Borpeta?
Borpeta, my lord.
But her address is, reference it is not there.
Reference, my lord, the of page 58, my lord.
Hmm.
Page 58, the address of the, my lord, opposite pretty. And the cost statement, my lord. Reference case number so state of person versus Hanofa Khatun, wife of Mansur Ali, village Pomajar Pathar, Borpeta Road. The Borpeta Road will come.
Borpeta Road, yes.
PS is Borpeta Road, so it will come under Borpeta.
It is under Borpeta.
Yes.
Borpeta. It's in Baksa. Gunmaja Pathe, presently in Baksa. The address given that page 58.
Yes.
It's reflected in the.
My lord, the fact is that, my lord, the reference is in this place, my lord.
Hmm.
The Bummaja
Village
Pathar.
Gunmaja Pathe, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's presently in now Baksa.
Presently Baksa.
Then huh?
Yeah, that's not Baksa. Borpeta.
No, it is record to put.
Yes.
Earlier it was under Borpeta Road, police station. Let it be Borpeta, but ultimately it will go to Baksa. Make it Borpeta. Same mod. Yes. Where is your link document? Where is your link document? Why for the first time your name figured in the voter list of 1985 when you were 28 years old? Why not prior to that? Hmm? অতি পার হয়ে গেছে।
May I point out, Lordship? The petitioner is 65 years, Lordship, by the affidavit he has sworn. So his name ought to be there prior to 66.
He has shown as 1965.
Yes, page 11 of the petition, Lordship. He has stated his age as 65 years.
When 2023.
Yes, 23. So his name ought to have been there prior to 66, Lordship, where his mother's name appeared.
1958. 21. 79. Right?
Yes, Lordship.
So. But as per 1985 voter list, he was 28. So
Which
this
one?
woman should have been there 1978 voter.
66 voters list is difficult to admit, Lordship, because it's only with the mother. And she's 40 years then. He says his father died sometime in 60. Whether the father and the mother are real parents, Lordship, that is a question mark. On the last occasion, the court had directed him to produce the voters list of his father. That is on 31/3 when the matter had come up, Lordship. Don't worry. What problem? 65 তুমি তার বড় দিশা। ডকুমেন্ট দ্বারা এতে নামে এতে হয়ে যায় না। হুম whether the documents is relying on and whether the proceedee are the same person, Lordship, that is also a big question. Because in 85, he's showing his age as 28. After 85, the voters list are somewhat in order, Lordship. If Lordship will notice, after 85, 89, he and his wife, they appear, and again in 97 also. All other family members seem to have disappeared, Lordship. And then his son appears also, son and daughter, 2014.
Hawk, just tell us one thing. Come to page number 30. Is it a certified copy of the voter list?
Page number 13.
Whether it is a certified copy as per the provisions of the
There is
as per the evidence act.
there is not a on
Huh?
can be there.
Stamp. Stamp to anyone can buy.
And Vito Mallet here although eligible ballot, but it is there.
Where is the seal? Where is the statement? Certified to be true copy. as required under the Evidence Act. Is it there? Now, please see, you are claiming that Ahatan Nisa is your mother and Asaruddin is your father. Page 13, this is a voter list of 1966. We'll come to that later, whether it's a certified copy or not. What is the age of Ahatan Nisa?
Here it shows the case 13 minutes. It's showing
13.
it's showing 40 minutes.
40.
Yes.
Ahad Ali.
Ahad Ali 21.
Now come to page number 15.
15 minutes.
Hmm.
Yes. Ahad Nisa Asaruddin 25.
25.
Ahad Ali 25. That, it happens sometimes.
No, we cannot change it, right? Now, next page, 1985 voter list. This is from which village?
From Santashpur. Santashpur party. Because there is Mana River irrigation melon, they are shifted.
Where you have stated in your written statement. We are not saying about affidavit. Whatever you say in affidavit will something different. In your written statement, did you mention that? That you have shifted?
So case 29.
Read your written statement, page 24 and 25. Where you have mentioned the name of your father, your mother, your brothers.
Paragraph 8, there is a mention, but nothing about shifting.
Nothing.
Another shifting was mentioned in the evidence. Case 29, paragraph 11.
No, there is question of, you have said your name figured in the voter list. Nothing else.
Well, case 29, kindly for a moment. Case 29.
We are not on there. First of all, you have to state in your evidence, no? In your written statement.
WS is not.
Where is it statement? You have made it in your written statement.
In the final ballot, in the statement, that is not there. About shifting ballot, but it is never there. But in the evidence ballot, it is there.
Before proceeding further, to propose to verify the relevant records. The case. Call for the records. Case number BNGN/FT-2/APR/375/2009 within bracket reference BNGN/FT case number 143/09. Queried. The learned member Fairness Tribunal, Bongaigaon number 2 of Ayapuri. By the impugned opinion dated 26/12/2022. Declared the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act. Foreigner of illegal migrant under the Foreigners Act 1946 of post 25/03/1971. Subject to the appearance of the petitioner before the Supreme Court Police Order on or before 2012. The condition. The judge shall list this matter for motion immediately on receipt of the LCR.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. The petitioner's father has been declared as a foreigner lordship and mother has been declared as an Indian lordship. The father has challenged that order lordship. The order lordship will find on page 40 lordship. The case is pending before this honorable court lordship. That case lordship record was called for lordship. Now father and brother also lordship brother also declared as a foreigner lordship. Brother also challenged that order lordship. That is by writ petition number WPC 1934 of the 2023 lordship. That case also lordship has granted interim protection and lordship that order lordship will finance that I have not annexed lordship. The lordship order on 16/10/2023 lordship. In WPC 1939. Here, Lordship, opinion, Lordship will find on page 46, Lordship. And page 15, Lordship, bottom paragraph, Lordship. Is Lordship, paragraph number 13 is there, Lordship. May I pray, Lordship, all the case can be taken up together, Lordship, because until unless the father case was decided, Lordship.
Lordship, there was an order to obtain a report, Lordship, which we have already sent. We are waiting the report also. Lordship may grant us also some time for this.
Do you have the report with you?
Hasn't, Mr. Pine may be having it, Lordship. I just saw the instructions.
Okay. Or Mr. P. Chaudhary, counsel for the petition. Limits. A. Verma, standing counsel for department. Six. AI Ali 3. P. Sharma. 5. Very impugn opinion. Plus final order. Dated 17/01/2023, as well as member of Foreigners Tribunal, Baksa, Tamilpur. In FT case number 280/Baksa/2016, in bracket, IMDT reference case number 217. Declare the petitioner or find the petitioner to be a foreigner of illegal migrant under the Foreigners Act 1946, who had entered into territory of India within the Assam on or after 25/03/1970. Hence, this petition by petition. Honor before 20. Registry shall place this matter for admission. Receipt of the 11 records of the case number such. Along with the records of WPC number 1676 of the 2020, as well as WPC number 1934 of the 2023. Right. The petitioners of those who did petitions for the father and brother as are her, don't write that, are her brother, are her father and brother as well.
Highly obliged.
Yes, Mr. Secretary.
My lord, we are in a particular situation. We have challenged the rejection of the petition earlier, and that petition was disposed of the direction to ascertain whether the person is same or not. And this honorable court, in the case of Salmandan and others, where the present petitioner is also here. The order is at Annexure 10, page 59, and my case is discussed at paragraph 33, page 84. And direction is to ascertain whether the person is same or not. But we have pursued the tribunal by filing petition that there shall be an inquiry by the border police, because here and there some mistake has been committed in issuing the notice. The first notice which was issued in the previous case, my father's name is wrongly written as Pokitsan. Village is same. My name is written as Tanya. Lordship will find at this 41. There was a mistake, but we have filed WS evidence, and our stand is that my father's name is Pokitsan, not Pokitsan. So tribunal has passed the order holding me as a son of Pokitsan, not Pokitsan. And the second case, that notice was issued, Lordship will find at Annexure 4, page 39, where my father's name is written as Pokir Ali. Village is same. So tribunal, after receipt of this honorable court's order, and my petition has passed the order at page 146 to page Annexure 25, saying that the person is not one and same. So my first grievance is against, our first grievance is against this order. The order dated 28/2023, Annexure 25, at page 146. The conclusion, Lord, you will find at page 152. Here, the middle person, the tribunal held that in one notice, my father's name is Pokitsan and another is Pokiran. So person is not one and same. My lord, documents has been discussed. After submitting of this honorable court's order, we file a petition paying for police inquiry. And while rejecting that petition, the tribunal has called for the records and also directed us to submit all our documents. We submitted the documents. And in the record of the previous case, the documents are there. In the present case, we are directed to submit documents. We have submitted the documents, my lord. Almost the prime documents are same. Here, 66, 70 voter list are there. Voter list of my name is also there. My SLC admit card, my service ID. The petitioner is serving as a LD assistant in district adult education in Tezpur. So service ID, my photo is there. So same person, photo is same. Well, only because of here and there in the notice, father's name is written differently. That is not my fault. The case was referred without fair investigation. Therefore, the police has committed mistake. So that is my prayer is that there is a necessity to conduct an inquiry by the police, because the police in making reference, if there is some mistake they have committed. The village is same. In one notice, Goraimari, one notice, Goramari Sotro. Sotro is a particular part of the village of Goraimari. So the greater revenue village is Goraimari. So all these things are picked up and said that the person is one, not one. And so that is my first grievance against this order dated 28/2020. Lordship may kindly have a order to pass an order to call for the records and kindly have scrutinized this matter, whether the tribunal has correctly decided that saying that one person is not one and same.
Ms. Verma,
Yes, Lordship.
come to page number 139. After the agitation since 1980, there was no PRC. It was only for the purpose of education.
Yes.
This was issued on 8/4/86.
Lordship, on this, we can obtain instructions from the Deputy Commissioner's office. Government will obtain, Lordship.
Has to be.
Whether this has been actually issued by the Deputy Commissioner's office or not.
Because we did not get,
Yes,
only for the educational purpose.
only educational purpose, yes,
I'm aware
Lordship.
of that. Myself applied. The stop.
Page 22, PRC 42, 86 rupees. Whether the serial numbers in this document actually belongs to
You
the,
verify, Mr. Sharma, give us the report.
Yes. No, you have to put tomorrow. PRC no. PRC is no correct. No, no, TPR no correct. 86 is no.
I got PRC 1960.
No,
78.
78.
Sir, it was
After
86.
79. After 88.
Only for the purpose of education. Verify
Verify करें.
For any reason.
No, Dibo no for any reason, only for education purpose.
You know. You say.
No, we will get the report.
Yes, yes. Definitely. English Kamru.
Come, Rupanna.
PRC is no correct.
Now let annexer 21 at page 151. That is my service act. That was available in the previous record. Yes, and also in the present. You have to come. Photo is my photo is there. That was to be considered. And our terminal has picked up that notice in the notice in previous case name was Kokita. We have also claimed that my lord, no, there is no other person by name Chanmia son of Kokita. Burden is also on the state to some extent. Where is the other person?
During police inquiry, Lordship, most of the times the information submitted by the proceedings are also not correct. They do not give any information regarding their families and other documents which they hold in possession, but later on they bring it up in the proceedings, Lordship.
Mr. Victor, why you have annexed this order at page annexer 30?
Annexer 1
113, annexer 30, page 166.
Idris Ali, Your Worship.
My lord, this, in this case, my lord, has he relied on, my lord? Because in this case, this honorable court has held that strict rule of evidence is not applicable in the case of fraud. That has been quoted in page
169.
170,
Last
170,
paragraph.
170, middle part. Gravity to the case in hand, the strict rules of evidence are not applicable in a trial. And nothing is required to be proved beyond all reasonable doubt. We are relying on this observation of the honorable.
What is the earlier case? There are two references, right?
My lord.
What is the earlier reference?
Earlier reference, lordship will find at page 50, starts from page 48, but the judgment start at page 49. Here, my lord, is 49. Although notice written my father's name as Kokit son, tribunal has considering my plea, WS documents written as Kokit son.
Pardon, Mr. Ayan. Secretary of Council appearing for the petition. MS Devar, the need of the department of some for their or Mr. P. Sharma, listens to the some for their and Mr. Aya, speaking of the election. Petitioner is aggrieved by the order dated 29/04/2023, whereby the London Member Foreigners Tribunal, Kamrup in bracket real bracket post first. This is 3523 or 24.
My lord,
Which order?
final, it is 28/3/23. We have challenged both the order 28/3/23 and also 3/5/23.
No, your petition 28/3.
28/3/2023 and 3/5/2023.
So the order is a 29/4/23, not 28/3.
My lord, is 146 my lord, it is 28/3/2020.
Which page?
Page 146.
As well as the order 03/05/2023. For the landed member in AFT utility our case number 1049 of the rising of reference and case number 9. Declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner illegally entered in the territory of India from this perspective of this honor of that. Further exposed to verify the relevant reports of the FT case number 683/2016. decided on 24/04/2017 by the Learned Member Foreigners Tribunal number 2 Kamrup in bracket rural at Bokok. As well as the record of GFT case number 1049/2017 decided on 03/05/2023 by the Learned Member Foreigners Tribunal Kamrup rural in bracket number 1 at Guwahati. Yes, this is the form immediately on receipt of the
I may be protected.
subject to the appearance of the petitioner before the Supreme Court.